Hello and welcome to this lecture series on artificial intelligence. In the last lecture, we had seen what exactly an agent is and we had taken several examples to describe it. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to see how can we represent an agent in AI. So let's begin. So what exactly is this Pease representation model? Pease is a type of a model on which the AI agent works upon. When we define an AI agent, then we can group its properties under this Pease representation model. Okay, and based on these properties of an agent, they can be grouped together or can be differentiated from one another. Okay, so this Pease word is made up of four words. Okay, P stands for this performance, E stands for environment, A stands for actuators, and S stands for sensors. Okay, so let's describe each one of these parameters. Performance can be the output on which we get from the agent, and all the necessary results that an agent gives after processing comes under this performance. Okay, environment can be all the surrounding things and the conditions of an agent fall in this section. It basically consists of all the things under the agent, okay, under which the agent works. So basically, if we take a human agent who is walking on a road, so the environment can be the road itself, the approaching vehicles, the pedestrians, okay, the houses and the shops, all can be the environment. What can be the actuators? Actuators are basically the devices or the hardware or the software through which the agent performs any actions or processes any information to produce a result that are the actuators of the agent. Okay, what are the sensors? Sensors are basically the devices through which an agent observes and perceives its environment, are basically the sensors of the environment. So let's take an example and understand this Pease representation model in a great detail. Okay, so on the screen you can see we have taken an animated picture of a car with no driver. That means it is a self-driving car. Okay, so how can we represent this AI agent in this Pease representation model? Let's see. So what can be the performance over here? The performance measure of this agent will be the speed, safety while driving, time, legal driving, the comfort. Okay, these are the performance measures. And the environment can be the road on which the car is driven, the other cars or the vehicles on the road, pedestrians, road signs, traffic signals, etc. etc. Actuators can be steering wheel, accelerator, brake, signal, horn. So basically all those devices through which the control of the car can be handled. Okay, sensors can be the cameras, speedometer, GPS, odometer, sonar. So basically all those devices through which this car can perceive its environment. Next we see some more examples and let's describe all those agents in this Pease representation model. So first example is this hospital management system. The performance measure of this agent can be patient's health, admission process, and the payment. Okay, environment can be the hospital itself, the doctors and the patients and the hospital staffs and other things. Okay, actuators can be prescriptions, diagnosis of the patient, scan report of that patient. Okay, those can be the actuators. Sensors can be the symptoms of the patient's response. Okay. Next example is the subject tutoring. For example, an agent is teaching some students. Okay, so what can be the performance measure of this agent? Performance measure can be maximizing the score of that student. Okay, improvement in students. Okay, environment can be the classroom, the desk, the chair, the board. Okay, staff, students can be the environment. Okay, actuators can be smart displays, corrections. Okay, sensors can be the eyes, ears, notebooks. Okay, and last example is this vacuum cleaner. In the last lecture we had taken this example. That example, the scope of that example was very small. Okay, we had taken a vacuum cleaner world in which there was 2 rooms and one vacuum cleaner, some dirt in it. Okay, so we had expanded the example and represent that agent in this Pease representation model. So how can we represent it? Let's see. The performance measure of this vacuum cleaner can be cleanliness, efficiency, battery life, security. Okay, environment can be the room, the table, wood floor, or the some flow, carpet, and various obstacles in the room. Okay, and actuators can be wheels of that vacuum cleaner, brushes, okay, vacuum extractor. Okay, those are the actuators, and the sensors can be the camera, the dirt detection sensor, okay, cliff sensor, okay, bump sensor, infrared wall sensor. So these can be the sensors. Okay, and by these criterias or by these requirements, we can represent an agent in this piece representation model. And if they come under one categorization, then we categorize them under one group, and if they are different, then we can group them in different models or different categorizations. Okay, so that's it for today's lecture. Thank you, and stay tuned for upcoming lectures.